Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so the thing is, I'm halfway through The Artist's Way. Yes, I just finished week 6 and I'm stepping into week 7 of The Artist's Way, which basically means I'm halfway through this journey of The Artist's Way. And honestly, it's been going both slow and fast. Fast in the sense that every time I upload a week's video, like week's update, by the time I breathe in and blink my eyes, that week will already be over and I have to start preparing for the content of the next week. So fast in that sense, but also slow in the sense that we're only 6 weeks in and I have like 6 more weeks to go, but I'm loving it so far. Now, to give an update on the morning pages, I actually ended up finishing one whole journal writing morning pages. This is because I've been very consistent with writing morning pages. I've been writing it every single day, almost every single day, because at the most I might have missed like 2 or 3 days in what?
6 into 7, 42 days.
Yeah, so at the most I might have missed like 2 or 3 days in 42 days, which is not at all bad according to me. So that is going well. Now, talking about the content of the book so far, it is actually pretty good, and I have some favorite weeks when it comes to content in the book, because some weeks content are much better and much relatable and much hard hitting than other weeks, but it is definitely going well so far, and I'm just hoping to learn more and more every day as we continue on this journey. Now that I've talked about how the journey has been so far, here's how week 6 artist date went.
I don't wanna get up out of bed this evening. The rain is falling, I can hear it through the ceiling. I don't wanna talk about how I'm feeling. It's too hard, I'm too tired, too uninspired, too wired, I'm too old to care and too young to die and too hurt.
For week 6 artist date, I went on a bookstore date to one of my favorite places in Bengaluru ever, which is the Sapna Book House. I don't know what it is about this place, it just feels very peaceful and abundant. You know, every time I'm surrounded with those books, those art supplies and everything creative, it just feels very calming and I feel happy. I didn't really go there to buy anything specific. I just wanted to stroll around, check out some random books, read those blurbs and take some inspiration in. And I looked through so many sections of books, but I didn't end up buying anything because I had promised myself not to, because I already have so many books I'm supposed to read. My brother owns 99% of the self-help books anyone would want to read, and I also want to read like most of them. So there was no point in me buying another copy of the same book. So I did not buy any books. But then I went down to the floors where they keep art supplies, and that is when my self-control dropped. Like, that is when I had to indulge, and so I ended up buying 2 canvases and 1 sketchbook. And so yeah, the day was very simple, it was very refreshing, but it was fun. It made me happy, it helped me take some inspiration in. Like I said, that place is just very peaceful, it makes you so happy just being there. So it turned out to be a lovely artist date. I loved it. It was simple, it was creatively refreshing, and it was fun. There was also this fun little task this week, flowers and leaves pressing. This was probably my favorite task from week 6. So I just went out to our garden. I went there and I just took some flowers and leaves and I pressed them. It was fun. The idea of collecting and preserving flowers and leaves is kind of beautiful. I had done this before with single flowers, but never particularly with leaves. So it was a fun activity. This week didn't really have any major breakthroughs or major reflections or any major thing going on, and I think it's because I'm kind of adapting to this journey. It could be because of that. I just feel like I'm adapting to this journey of writing morning pages every day, going through the tasks of each week and just the flow of how the week will be. It could be because of that, but I also believe that every week in Artist's Way is different. Like, this week may be very normal and very calm and peaceful, but the next one might be very mentally challenging and stimulating, and it might bring some breakthroughs or reflections to me. I don't know, maybe not, but I just feel like every week is different when it comes to this book. I've realized that. So it differs from one week to another, but this week, talking about week 6, it was very calm, it was very peaceful, and it was very easygoing. So that is all for today's video and week 6 update. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.